Hello everyone, so this is the set for the automatic transmission of GLA 200 SDI, CDI. So we have like 6 liters of transmission oil, which is in our case MB236.21. We have this small filter, we have the big one which is in the transmission, and we have a gasket. So this is all that you need to change. In my opinion, I prefer to change on every 15,000 kilometers to be sure that your transmission is with fresh oil, and I believe it will work much better and it will be more reliable. So this is the set which I'm using always on 15,000 kilometers. Everything it will be described with all the parts numbers and everything in the description, so if you need to check something, it will be in the description.